Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on AT&T. I was looking at AT&T on Monday and just kind of scrolling through Robinhood and saw it down again. I was like, oh, might be some time to buy some more AT&T. So I did buy some, but as you can see what it's done here over the last week. So it's just been kind of all over the place in the last year. Last October, 26.76, then it went up to 31. I wish I would have sold and rebought, but that never happened, so I'm not a trader, I'm a holder, so. And the nice run up back in May, I believe that was the HBO Max hype, and then it just kind of dropped off then. That would have been the time to so if you could have bought here, sold here, and rebought here, or even waited and rebought, but then this drop off. So I saw the drop off and was wondering what was going on with this one, but I bought some shares. I've been holding AT&T for quite a while, but some people don't like it. Some people love the dividend, but some people say there's too much debt, so I'm kind of mixed feelings on it. I don't have a whole lot invested into it, but I did acquire some more shares here in Robinhood. So, but you can see it's just down over the last. It's down everywhere. 3 months, 1 month, down a little bit over 6% in the last week. So that's kind of what caught my attention, and could even almost trade this one from time to time, but you'd make a couple pennies. But anyway, I bought some more. I think the last time I did a video I had 30 some, and I acquired some here lately, so there's still my cost basis. I'm still way below, so that's why I acquired some more, but I can live with that. It's got some dividends, so well, it looks like I had 33 shares, so I gained about 10 shares here in the last week or so. And you can't beat that. 52 cents, $17.16. So getting closer to buying a new share per quarter, so that would add up. And the dividend has went up a little bit since the price went down as well. So. But here's some articles. I have some articles to go over. It's still showing a 55% hold, so you can put love or hate in the comments whether you like AT&T or not. So you can see I bought some at $25.48. This one got canceled, didn't fill, so $25.38, and then I think it started going up. I think it was hitting the bottom, and I probably lowballed it a little bit, but here I got some at $26.78, and then it's went down since then. But I used to buy this one any time I would go below $29. I'd buy some, but that's why my cost basis is what it is. But I'd have to do some history on it, but I didn't want to make the video too long. So, and this one does have earnings coming up on the 21st, so be watching for that as well. So 1 year price target, which is nice to see, but if it gets back up there, I'm trying to get my Robinhood up to 100 shares, so we'll see, and then it can go back up there, but I don't care. So kind of showing not too bad on the ratings, but still showing a hold, 6 there in the middle and 2 at a buy. And moving on here, why AT&T shares are tumbling today, and this is just dated on Monday the 11th. Trading lower on Monday as Barclays analyst Kanan maintained the stock with an under or equal weight rating and lowered the price target from $34 to $30. The Barclays analyst cited challenging technicals as the result of the equity performance at Discovery, which AT&T will be merging its media business with. AT&T was among the top 3 trending stocks on StockTwits and Publication Time. AT&T is set to announce the third quarter financial results before the market opens on October 21. So we'll see what that'll be a week out from tomorrow, so we'll see what the price does between tomorrow and the 21st. See what it does in a week and see if it goes any lower or maintains or if it goes back up. So T price action, AT&T has traded as high as $33.88 over the 52-week period and making the new 52-week lows during the Monday's trading session. Stock was down 2.62% to $26.06 at a time of publication. So for a stock that doesn't move much, so about a $7 and change dollar swing is quite a lot in a year. So considering this one hasn't really moved much, it used to be a $38 stock way back when, and it's been around the $30, $29, $30 range for as long as I've been watching it. So AT&T new managed XDR extends threat detection and response. AT&T today launched a new managed extended detection and response service that extends threat detection and response from the endpoint to the network to the cloud, providing broad visibility. So the managed XDR solution features a cloud-based security platform with security threat analytics, machine learning, and third-party connectors. So AT&T's been around forever. I'm not going to buy a whole lot of it. If I buy some more and it keeps around this price, I might buy some, but I'm going to cap it out at 100 shares. I have more in TD Ameritrade and another retirement with Firstrade, so I have some AT&T in each of those accounts. Feel free to help yourself in the to the links, and you can get some free stock. Those are all listed in the description. And I think Webull has a new promotion, so I think it's $150 in partial shares for signing up 3 people, so every little bit helps. So just going to scroll through the rest of this article. You can find this on SiliconANGLE. It just kind of goes over some more about their cybersecurity. So AT&T is not going anywhere. They're going to be around. They've been around for a long time. They're not going anywhere. Huge company, even though they do have a bunch of debt. So this one's dated on the 13th here today. AT&T laying groundwork for Project Ramp and Internet of Things deployments. And AT&T is bringing to market a solution that can accelerate and streamline massive deployments on the Internet of Things devices and applications globally for enterprise and government customers through the cellular connectivity. By Blue Wireless allows just about any asset to be connected to the cloud with carrier-grade security. The solution takes away significant complexity and cost through the prepaid connectivity and allows solution integrators and product builders to accelerate time to market and scale. Why is this important? The global market intelligence firm IDC estimates that by 2025 the overall number of the connected Internet of Things devices worldwide will reach 40 billion. Estimated by 31.1 billion in 2020. So we're going to gain about 8.9 billion in the next 5 years. So if that doesn't shoot up the price of this stock, I don't know what will. So, but still quite a bit of information in this article. Feel free to pause and go over the rest if you'd like. Otherwise, you can find it on markets.businessinsider.com. Moving on here, AT&T stock drops toward 11-year low as dividend yield rises further above 8%. So as long as they don't cut that, I will be happy. Which there's been talks of that in the past. That's why I'm slowly buying and just making sure that they keep that dividend. So, which I haven't heard anything of it getting cut, but if the stock drops anymore, who's to say? So this kind of goes over about it dropping. Lowest close since July 2010, so that's not real great, but like I said, I'm in this one for the dividend. And I also bought some Verizon. They also took a dip, so I don't know if they're just kind of piggybacking off of AT&T, or I haven't researched Verizon yet. I think T-Mobile was down as well, so TMUS is the ticker on T-Mobile. BC chart of the day: AT&T's bloodbath have been in a free fall, and no one seems to know why. Company hasn't made any comments, neither have most of the pundits in the financial media. It is a rare thing to see big companies like this make such dramatic moves where there is no news out. They did do a price, we already covered that, so I don't know why this article is saying that, but that's all the information that I could find in regards to why the price is going down. But that's kind of a crazy chart there for AT&T in the last 6 months, but hip hip hooray, provides a buying opportunity. That's how I look at it. So when I saw it drop, I was like, oh, gotta buy some, so I did a deposit and bought some. We didn't wait 5K, 10K, 15K, dropping a bunch of F-bombs there, so this guy, a glimpse into the future. Not much there. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 25.30. That's crazy. I like the price. Might have to buy some more tomorrow. So 52-week low of 25.01. I think that was on Monday, 33.88. So we kind of covered those. And again, that's a 7 and change, almost an $8 swing. T is one of the top trending stocks. Never thought I'd see that. Simulated $26 calls on Thursday's open. I have not looked at options. That would be an interesting thing as well. So if you could put that a couple months out, I think you would hit it. So it should be a pretty safe one. As I've said on the channel, I always love this little guy. Buckle up, baby. As I've said on the channel, I don't do a whole lot of options. If I did an option, a safe one would be on this one, as well as Verizon or Intel or even Apple. They're safe. They don't move much, so Apple would probably be the most risky one. Here on TipRanks, currently at a hold with an upside at 23, we'll just call it 24% upside to $31.30, high of 37. I'd be pushing it, low of 28. We're already below the 28, so they need to update their records here. So, but as you can see, I'm at 42 shares, so we'll see what it does tomorrow and see when my next payday is. That's coming up. Might have to dump some more into AT&T. We'll just have to see. But if you go ahead and leave a comment, love or hate on AT&T and how many shares you have out there, and I think I have 50 or so in my retirement as well, but altogether, maybe have about 200 shares of AT&T, just not all in the same account. So, but that's it for this one. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos come out. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.